Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In this quick video, I will show you how to change the display currency in the Binance app so your balances and prices show in your local fiat. So let's jump in. First, open the Binance app and make sure you are logged in. Now tap on this three-line menu icon at the top left corner of your screen. Then tap this gear icon at the top right and go to your settings. Now in the settings, look for currency, display currency or fiat currency. The exact wording can vary by app version. Tap that option. Here you will see a list of fiat currencies. Tap the currency you want, for example USD, ARS, AD, AUD. Let me switch to Australian dollar. The app will instantly update price charts, balances, and asset values to the selected currency. If you don't see your currency, make sure the app is updated from the Play Store or App Store. Restart the app after changing currency if values don't refresh right away. And that's it. Super quick. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe, and comment which Binance tutorial you want next. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.